Hi everyone, this is a quick walk through the property development course, the property development system course, and what's actually included in the course and so on. So if you visit the website propertydevelopmentsystem.com and you clicked on courses, you'll be able to see a list of all the courses. So if you're on the site, instead of selecting an individual course, and if you just clicked on property development courses, that's how you get to this page, which talks about the things that the way I actually put this course together, and what I think about these courses and so on. So there are 3 different levels. There are quite a few ebooks that you can download for free. Then you've also got courses for beginner to intermediate levels, and hopefully this year there will be a lot of courses released for the intermediate and the advanced level as well. So property development courses for beginner and intermediate level. There's a quick start property development course that you can do that covers everything as an overview of different things that you need to understand to be a developer, and it's actually a good segue into understanding what's actually involved and the things that you need to know and learn in order to be a developer. So if you're not sure whether or not you want to be a property developer, I would highly recommend that you take this course. The other one is the Smart Feasibility Calculator and the video course, which talks about the Smart Feasibility Calculator that I've actually put together, and it's like a software or an application that runs on Google Sheets. And you would need a Gmail email address in order to do this. So it comes with a lot of videos that explain all the different decision metrics that you need and how you can actually quickly do a feasibility on a project. So that's one module. And there's also a bundle that you can take, which actually includes this Smart Feasibility Calculator, but also includes the advanced version of it. So in your own time, you can actually click on this site and have a look at what are the details that are covered in this. And then the Property Development System course is available, where you basically get everything so far. So in the property development course, this is what you get. This is the full course, and it's an all-inclusive property development course. A lot of time, people will go and do a property development seminar and come back and not be able to do a financial feasibility. I'm pretty sure that there are a lot of people who've done that, but not being able to do a feasibility even after 3 days of attending a boot camp. It's mainly because these people, I've seen that a lot of seminars, they themselves don't know how to do feasibilities. So I've seen a lot of people, or you've got to actually pay more to be able to go into the higher next level of program, to be able to get your hands on a financial feasibility application. So, but in my course is actually included, and both of them are actually included in there. So you can actually go to this page. So basically, I am on the Property Development System course page, and you can actually access that. So by clicking here, if you click here, so you can come on this page that talks about what the course is all about, who is it for, and what's included in the property development course. And it also talks about different methods and different modules that are actually included in the course that I cover in a lot of detail. And I think the most important part is the 12 bonuses that I actually give out with the course. I give out a ready set introspection training, and that talks about my laws of success that I've used, and basically internalize them in order to become a property developer. You get lifetime access to the actual course. You get email support for the next 12 months. So if you've got a question or query or whatever, you can always shoot me an email, and I will always reply to it. You get my Negotiate for Advantage negotiation system. And eventually this will also break out from the Property Development System course and become a standalone course on its own. You get 12-month access to my Smart Feasibility Calculator and the software, which is the software and the full training module with all the videos. You get 12-month access to the detailed advanced software or the video course that comes with it. You get access to a lot of property development resources that I use from the internet. which is a combination of a lot of different free resources to be able to gather all this kind of data for analysis and to understand how that works. So you get that with the course. You get lifetime access to all my past live video coaching calls that I've had, which are more related to, which are more like Q&A sessions that I've had with my past students related to a particular site. And different issues that they've had. You get, if you're in this course, you are in a separate group where you can network with other developers. You get a certificate of completion after you've completed all the different modules, and you can also qualify for a one-on-one mentoring or the Game On module, which is about to be launched very soon. Which is a group mentoring program, which will come alive very soon. And then you also get to sit through a 3-day seminar, and you get to start whenever you can. And then once the seminars are scheduled, you will get an email. Initially, these seminars are actually going to be in Melbourne, but eventually they will be in Melbourne, Sydney, and Brisbane. And yeah, so you get to sit to any one of them, any one of these seminars whenever you think you're available. So that's what this course is all about. So let's go into all of these courses. So this is the property development system course, which has how to find your first deal, the full module on mindset, how to find your first deal, how do you listen for signals, understanding statistics, demographics, how do you validate all these signals that you're listening, setting up different auto alerts, how do you do your due diligence, what are the different concepts behind understanding numbers, development finance, valuations. There's like, no matter where you click, there's like a ton of videos and details in there. This is only understanding numbers here because this is what is part of the property development system. However, there are 2 other specialized courses for financial feasibilities that come with the software, and you get the 12-month access to them. But this course you will have access to for lifetime. Design and product fit, consultant reports, permits, obtaining permits, marketing pre-sales, construction, titles, risk management, your strategy. There's a full section on no money down deals, and as well as project report and all the web resources that you can have a look at. You can download them and use them. This is the financial feasibility study course that we've got, which talks about the property development process, the purpose of feasibilities, the development constraints, how do you identify all the costs, the decision metrics, the validation feasibility, or your smart feasibility calculator is your validation feasibility because it helps you validate a project. And there are certain case studies in there. So this is the smart feasibility calculator. You get access to this course and the feasibility application for 12 months. Then you've got the advanced course, and the advanced course is all about how you're going to install your, it talks about all the advanced concepts like time, cash flow, finance, decision metrics, and how to do feasibilities. And you also get access to the financial feasibility application. So this is another course that comes with it. As I said, this is an all-inclusive course. This section is all about all the different live coaching calls that I've had in the past with my students. So if you were to dig in a little bit deeper to understand the different Q&A sessions, and you'll find that all these videos are an average of at least an hour and a half or 2 hours each. So no matter where you actually click, there are people asking questions. Let's say this is site analysis, for example. So this is a real life example of a real project. It's an R26. So these are really long videos talking about different questions that people have asked, or from my past projects and so on. So you get 4 things. You get the full course, which is this. You got lifetime access to it. You get the 2 financial feasibility courses with it. They come with their own specialized training, and all you have to do is shoot me your Gmail email address, and I'll give you access to it. And all the training modules actually show how to install them, how to use them. And anytime you get stuck, shoot me an email. I'm always here to help you out. So this is more that, and you also get the ticket to the seminar with this course. So that's what this is the walkthrough for all the complete property development system. And if you ever have any queries or whatever about the course, or you can always shoot me an email.